In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hire freelancers on Behance. If you're building a brand, launching a campaign, or just need expert creative help, Behance makes it easy to discover and connect with top talent. I'll walk you through the full process from browsing to sending a clear professional inquiry. Start by heading to Behance and opening the Hire section. From there, choose Freelancers to focus your search on independent creators available for projects. This takes you to a dedicated hiring experience designed for quickly narrowing down the right people. Next, use the filters to define exactly what you need. Select a creative category that best matches your project, such as graphic design, illustration, motion, or photography. Add a location if time zones or on-site work matter, and choose the tools that are essential for the job, things like Photoshop, Illustrator, Figma, or specific camera gear. As you apply filters, the results update so the freelancers you see are aligned with your criteria. Browse through profiles and portfolios to assess quality, style, and fit. Look for projects similar to what you're commissioning and read any descriptions to understand their role and process. When someone's work resonates with your needs, open their profile and use the Send Inquiry option to begin the conversation. In the inquiry form, start by stating what you're hiring for with a short, descriptive title. Then select the relevant categories to help the freelancer quickly understand the type of work and context. Set your budget next. Be realistic and indicate whether you're thinking in terms of a total project fee or an hourly range. Clear expectations save time for both sides. Write a concise job description that covers the essentials: the scope of work, expected deliverables, the timeline, any style or brand references, the tools they'll use, and key requirements such as file formats, dimensions, or usage rights. The more specific you are, the easier it is for a freelancer to estimate accurately and confirm availability. Add a personal note to the freelancer to show why you chose them. Reference a piece in their portfolio that fits your project and highlight what you liked about it. This small touch helps you stand out and encourages a thoughtful reply. Finally, indicate whether this is for a personal project or a company. Review your details and select Create Job and Send Inquiry. From there, keep communications within Behance, respond promptly to messages, and be ready to share clarifications or examples. That's it. Your request is on its way, and you're set to hire confidently on Behance.